insert disc into drive A, pull the door down, okay? Then, you turn on your monitor. Yeah.
Look at that.
It'll be interesting to see what that refresh rate does to the video you're recording.
Well, it's blue on the screen, but it's green over there.
Mine's like a light
And
blue.
then, flip on the switch to the computer.
Epilepsy.
I tried to get that 180 working, but yeah, mine's like a light blue.
And the drive light came on.
I can only imagine how heavy this would be on a desk.
Not bad. It's like with 13.
Well, the laptops we have here are like 3/4 of this weight. Not even.
I tried that's the one I tried. I tried both. That's so long. That one I couldn't find the
It's gonna explode.
So look at it car range. What was that for?
Oh.
That might have been important. Hey.
Look at that. That's ridiculous. Where'd you guys find the pieces for?
We dug around a little bit this morning in the junk room in there, where I had the old stuff stored at.
That is so awesome.
Just happened to come up with the drive and the cable.
Jesus,
I was afraid that before some of the stuff got junked.
Okay, when you see that car back in the 70s or 80s, you'd be like freaking out. It looks like Oregon Trail or something.
Okay, now somebody sit down and follow the commands.
Okay.
They'll tell you what to do.
Go for it. Oh, it's like one of those text-based games.
Yeah, those are newest Jordans.
Those came out, yeah, the 30th.
Yeah, those are nice, man.
Except I can't, I hate waiting in line for those, so I have to pay extra for mine.
Hey, man.
Can I get the
People
lights
pay extra
turned
for
off?
games,
I
too.
can take a picture. Is there any way to turn down the brightness on it? That's the Apple III.
Yeah. No, you can adjust the contrast. I don't believe the brightness is inside the cabinet probably, and they have things called pots.
Oh, there we go.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.
What the heck? Oh, hey.
Ooh.
That's cool.
Ooh.
That's awesome. Whoa, what the heck?
There's a glitch in the Matrix.
There you go.
I know what to put. There's a turnkey. Is this like the tutorial?
Yes.
When in doubt, Alt F4.
Right hand. Like a typewriter keyboard with some extra keys, okay. But it's more versatile and easy to use. Okay, return. Type. A cursor. Here is a cursor. Please press return to find more about the cursor. Are you using a computer now?
What would happen if you said no?
I'm using Windows, boy. That's confusing.
Well, it's one of the easiest things ever.
So far, we can't get it to read anything else.
It's still pretty cool though that it works. Press the key with a letter practice repeating the letter by holding down the key. Okay. Okay.
The Apple II, I believe it was built in 1985.
No way, it holds, man. Whenever you're typing on one time, now. I know, the offenders can
I'm sorry, Kevin. I can't let you do that.
Please wait for the question. Don't panic if you make this type of repeat.
They don't have backspace.
What if you make
They
a
don't have a
gas
backspace key.
mistake?
Look at that. It's a read key.
What if you make a gas mistake?
What fruit is named after apple?
Oh crap. Freaking out.
Ew.
Oh. Oh. Go to this.
Where's the backspace? It's the delete key.
That time.
Every child loves to play with. Adult?
No.
It's so bad.
I know, right? You can't lower it.
Very good. You have a capital letter instead of a lowercase.
Can't. I know.
Is it from 84?
85 about
Oh.
20, oops, sorry, 29 years old, this thing.
There's a cap lock on there. Really, this runs by Ethernet cable? No. That.
Oh.
The
You have
laptop
such
is
bad luck, Jay.
I am.
Where does it rain?
Spain.
Oh.
The rain on the plane falls mainly in Spain. That's pretty cool.
Look at that. The animation is stellar. Actually, was pretty cool. Actually, was pretty cool. For the
That
time.
time. Oh, another
Are they just like,
grandpa.
like so many questions?
Hi, good morning, guys, went through the whole thing.
That's some dumb questions. This is better than Grant's tomb, Grant. Cool.
That time.
If you can, ask him who the
Joliet.
current president is.
Joliet, Illinois. It's Juliet.
No, it's Juliet.
What I do?
Oh, the brick wall.
Just hit the delete button till you get to the O.
Oh. I know what I mean. Watch.
Up. You forgot to press the U.
Are you recording this?
Oh yeah. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is
You
like
can't see.
Get out of here. How often do you get to see one of these things work?
You can see one work every day now. You can come in every day and turn it on if you want to.
That's
Or you
awesome.
come in class.
Like a little pleasure, just.
Nerding out over it.
So far, we have given you examples. Did you carve out?
To be completely honest with you, this is the only computer that has worked with me very well for the past 3 months now. It hasn't given me a problem when it started up. So,
wish I could find an operating code just for it.
Who discovered the law of gravity? Joe Newton. Isaac Newton.
I'm pretty sure it's Joe DiMaggio.
Joe DiMaggio.
Joe Pesci.
Joe Pesci. Michael Jackson Moonwalker.
Get out of here. Wayne Newton.
Wayne.
Wayne Newton?
Fig Newton. Olivia Newton-John?
Olivia Newton-John.
Hey, boy. Hey, boy. No, oh. That time.
Start now? Yes, no.
I know how to type now. Oh, I know.
What's your first name? KWC.
Welcome to KWCL Hard Rock all the time.
Kevin. You should have named him. No, no. Is Kevin your correct first name? No. It reminds me of a lot of the old actors.
That time.
I wish there was a way to zoom in with this.
I know. You have to go like right up in his face to do it. You can zoom in with a photo though.
Yeah, but not this. Kevin's Diner.
Hey, that's
That's awesome.
Hobo and Squeak. I don't know what that
Chile
is.
Verde. That's
Mugu
That's
Gaipan.
racist.
Escargot. That's snail, dude.
Sauerbraten.
Tandoori.
Gaipan. So lost.
Kichi.
Hold on.
Kichi Kevin.
Not fresh today. Today's
Chicken
special.
fried steak.
Chicken fried steak.
Chicken what?
That's a heart attack right there.
Yeah, that's what heart attack waiting to happen.
Just order
Tempura.
everything.
A diabetic seizure waiting to happen.
Don't be shy. Just press a number.
Swear to God, this is better.
I know.
Remember your battery.